Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss how to hide reports in Dynamic 365 customer service app. So I am on a case entity. So when I navigate to the case entity and I am able to see all active cases, all the case listed here. On the command bar, click on here and then click on run report. So what it does here, so it will allow you to run report. Now you will see lot of out of the box report here. So if you see here, there are the out of the box reports. Now how to hide the out of the box report? So there is no directly interface for me to there select those reports directly. So how do you do that? Now click on setting from here and then click on advanced setting. So under the customization, click on customization from here and then click on customize the system. So click on reports from here. So here you will see the whole bunch of report and here you need to selectively find out which report you want to hide. So I want to hide a case summary table report. So click on that. So as you can see display in list for related record types reports area. So if I click on that, so here as you can see that available values forms for related record type and selected value is list and report area. So here I am just click on this and bringing back here. So now it is available on the reports area here. Now click on OK button and then click on save and close button and click on save from here and then click on publish all customizations. Now go back to the customer service app and firstly refresh it. Now click on here and then click on run report. So as you can see here, case summary table report is not visible. So in this video, we covered how to hide report in Dynamic 365 customer service app. Thanks for watching.